Hello, everyone. The purpose of this e-learning video is to learn use of scope in MATLAB. Scope is a Simulink block, which displays an analog representation of any signals like signal generator or pulse generator. We are using a MATLAB 2018, and this is a command window of MATLAB. Let's start with model using a scope block. I'll type Simulink and press enter. This is my Simulink start page. Click on a blank model. It will open an untitled Simulink page. Let's create a model. We need one sine wave. Let's double-click on a blank model and type sine wave. Press enter. This is asking for amplitude value. So by default, it has a value of 1. So as of now, I will put 2 as an amplitude and press enter. Let's check the parameters of scope block. So sine wave is time based and the time we are using is simulation time. Now the amplitude we have set is 2. And frequency is 1 radian per second. Press OK. Again, we need one gain block. Take a gain block. Press enter. Now it is asking for a gain value. So I will put a 3 value. Press enter. Let's check the parameters by double-clicking. The gain value we have set as a 3 and gain type is a multiplication, that is element-wise k multiplied with the input u. It means input multiplied with the gain value. That is, our input is 2, and the gain value is 3, so 2 multiplied with 3, the output must be 6. Click on OK. To display our output we need one scope block. Let's type scope. Press enter. It is asking for input ports as we have two inputs, one is for sine wave and one is for gain. Let's type 2. Press enter. Let's make connections. We are done with the connection, and here we are done with our model. So let's double click on a scope. This is the trace window. Let's run our model. The blue one is our input, that is design view. And this yellow one is our output. That is the gain value. So 2 multiplied with the gain value 3 is 6. The output is a 6 value, as you can see here. Change the value and see what happens. Let's take amplitude as a 3 and keep a gain value as a 3. Let's run it again. The values has changed. The input is the 3 and output is the 9. It has a multiplication factor. So 3 multiplied with the 3, the output is a 9. So let's look into the scope. And we will discuss other features of scope. As you can see the file. From here, you can change the number of input ports as a 1, 2, 3, as many you want. And from the setting you can change the layouts. As we have chosen one layout. Now we will choose 2 layouts. Now it has been splitted. So this one is a sine wave as a 3 value. As you can see 3 value, and this one is a 9 value as output. That is the gain value. So this is first input port and this is the second input port. This is used for run purpose. This is the zoom in and zoom out option, and this is for trigger. As you can see, with running triggers, you can set a trigger as a rising edge and falling edge. This is a cursor. As you can see, I'll choose another cursor option. Trace selection for gain or sine wave. Like this, as you can change the trace and cursor values. In this way you can use a scope block in the MATLAB models. Thank you friends for watching this video.